Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies are going for a drive in their bright red mini car. Their license plate spells S-I-M-B-A. Simba. That's like from the Lion King. There's little tiny wipers. They don't actually work, but they can move if you push them. And inside the car there are 4 seats and 2 seat belts in the front. The front dash of the car is very detailed. It looks fairly real. And on the back, it also says Simba. The trunk opens up and there's room for storage. Let's get all of the Teletubbies in the car and head off on a surprise adventure. The Teletubbies have arrived at the surprise. First they see Kitty, and they see the Tinkle Trunk. What's inside today, Teletubbies? It's bright pink. Oh, it's a little mini Hello Kitty vending machine with juices, coins, and even a recycling bin. Let's open it up so that the Teletubbies can buy juice with their coins. The top of the recycling bin is the shape of Hello Kitty's head with a little pink bow on her ear. And there's all different kinds of juices. This one looks like, maybe iced tea? Here's an orange flavored one. And apple. There's Hello Kitty's sour face. And speaking of Kitty, she's just sitting at the side watching us open the toy. The juice will only come out of the vending machine using these pink coins. There's flowers on one side and the number 100 on the other side. How many coins do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 coins to buy 6 cans of juice. And finally, let's take out the vending machine. It comes with a little card. If you don't have coins, you can use your card. There's a slot at the top for the coin and a place for the juice. The front of the vending machine displays samples of each juice flavor, and each one has its own button. There's an apple button, a Hello Kitty with a pink bow, and a Hello Kitty with a yellow bowl. And here is the slot where you insert your debit card. Let's buy some juice, Teletubbies, but first we need to fill our machine. Oops! Need to make sure we put them in straight or they won't all fit. That's better. Now we fit all 6 cans in. Close the lid. Dipsy's first in line. He inserts his coin in the top. The only button that works to dispense juice is the Hello Kitty with the yellow bow. We never know what juice we're going to get. Let's see what you have, Dipsy. Apple juice. Remember, it's always important to recycle. Hey Kitty, those coins aren't for you. Lala's going to use her ATM card to buy a drink. We'll insert it into the slot and push the button. What juice did Lala get? She has iced tea. Po is using her pink coin. Uh-oh, Something's not working. Po's drink is stuck in the machine. There we go, we got it loose. Po has orange juice. And finally, Tinky Winky's last. He's going to use his ATM card. Uh-oh, it's not working. Tinky Winky, you must not have any money left in your bank account. You can borrow a pink coin from Kitty. And Tinky Winky, you got iced tea. Now you may wonder, once the coins go in, how do we get them out? Well, there's a little door on the bottom, and you pull it open, and you can see all of the coins, and you can pour them out. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.